The most hated Jamaican YouTubers. The truth about Colaz Smith and Donna Gowe. Pause everything you think you know. Because today's video isn't about talent. It's not even about success. It's about why two of Jamaica's most talked about YouTubers trigger so much emotion online. Why some people defend them with their life, and others can't stand to hear their names. Colaz Smith, Donna Gowe. And before you rush to the comments, stay with me because the story is deeper than hate. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The most criticized creators are usually the most impactful ones. Nobody hates silence. Nobody attacks irrelevance. So the real question is, what exactly are Colaz Smith and Donna Gowe doing that shakes people this much? Let's start with Colaz. Colaz Smith, the polarizing builder. Colaz Smith didn't just build a YouTube channel. He built a movement, a network, a family of creators. And that right there, that's where the love asterisk and asterisk the hate begin. Some people see Colaz as a mentor, a visionary, a man who helped others rise. Others see him as too powerful, too influential, too loud in the space. Here's the part people don't say out loud. When one person becomes a gatekeeper, real or imagined resentment follows. But wait, the hate isn't really about Colaz himself. It's about what he represents. Colaz represents success without permission, leadership without approval, growth that didn't include everyone, and in online spaces, especially Jamaican YouTube, exclusion real or perceived hurts more than failure. So the comments turn bitter, narratives form, and suddenly, Colaz isn't just a YouTuber, he's a symbol. Now, if Colaz's hate is about power, Donna Gowe's hate, that's about something else entirely. Donna Gowe, the unapologetic woman. Donna Gowe doesn't whisper, she doesn't soften her tone, she doesn't dilute her opinions, and that alone makes her controversial. Because let's be honest, a confident woman online is already a threat. Add opinions, add consistency, add independence. Now you have a problem. But here's what really triggers people. Donna doesn't perform humility to make others comfortable. She speaks directly. She stands firm. She doesn't apologize for existing loudly. And in Jamaican culture online especially, women are often praised for strength, but punished for confidence. So what happens? She's labeled arrogant, rude, difficult. Not because she is, but because she won't shrink. The real reason they're both hated. Here's the part most videos won't say. Colaz Smith and Donna Gowe aren't hated because they're wrong. They're hated because they're unignorable. They reflect things people struggle with: authority, confidence, influence, visibility. And when you can't control a narrative, you attack it. So ask yourself this. If they were truly irrelevant, why are people still talking? Why are their names still trending in arguments? Why do supporters and critics sound equally emotional? Love them or hate them? Both Colaz Smith and Donna Gowe have already won the attention game. And on YouTube, attention is power. Now I want your take respectfully. Is the hate justified? Or are they just mirrors people don't like looking into? Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe for more stories nobody else will break down like this. And trust me, this conversation isn't over.